Minute sponsored by Mark A. Epstein, attorney at law.
Welcome back. Okay, well, getting in an accident or having a serious injury can be scary, and what unfolds afterwards can sometimes even be more stressful.
That's right. Luckily, there is help in Baltimore to fight for you. I spoke with attorney Mark Epstein about his law firm that's been doing accident cases for decades. Thank you so much for being with us today.
It's my pleasure. Look forward to it.
Yeah, we're going to have a great chat. Tell us a little bit about the cases that you handle.
Well, you know what? I have been doing accident cases of all types for over 30 years. I love doing accident cases. So from automobile accidents, motorcycle accidents, truck accidents, even slip and fall cases, any of those type of personal injury cases I've been handling for a long time. And I do DUIs also, but I love those accident cases.
So say you are in an accident, what's the first thing that you should do?
Well, you know, the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure you've got pictures. Because what's going to happen is that the other guy is going to always try to figure out ways to not be responsible for the accident. They're going to go home and they're going to try to figure out a way that their insurance rates won't go up. So they're going to try to blame it on you. But if you get pictures at the scene of the accident, that's going to help it a long way in terms of proving that you were the person who was not at fault.
Absolutely, I know that firsthand.
That's important.
So when should we contact our insurance company? Should we do that immediately or?
Well, you know what? Really, it's better to contact me or your lawyer as soon as you can, because the insurance company is going to want a recorded statement as soon as possible. In fact, they want to get that statement before you go to your lawyer, because unfortunately, a lot of times they're hoping that you might say something that may hurt you later on and where they won't be responsible to pay. But if your lawyer is on the phone, and I always make it a point to be on the phone with my client when a recorded statement is given, I'll protect the client and make sure that nothing is said that's going to go adverse to the client. So that's important.
So we should contact an attorney first thing if we're involved in some sort of accident?
Yeah, I actually give my clients my cell phone, believe it or not. A lot of lawyers don't do that. But my clients very frequently actually call me from the scene of an accident and they ask me what to do. So you have to be careful about that. And the police, they're probably going to ask you whether you're hurt or not. And a lot of people right off the bat just say, no, I'm fine, because it's kind of a macho thing to say. But if you're shaken up, you need to say, I'm not feeling too good right now, I'm shaken. So you have to be careful about what you say at the scene of an accident.
That's very good advice. And if we are in need of an attorney, how can we get in touch with you?
Well, the easiest way is just to call my cell phone number. I'll be happy to give it to you. It's 410-627-2222, which is an easy phone number. And you can go online and get me. It's markepsteinlaw.com. So I'm very easily accessible. And as I said, I always make myself available on my personal cell phone. You hear about a lot of lawyers, unfortunately, that may not be easy to get a hold of. In my case, I make myself accessible by my cell phone, my office phone, email, and texting. So it's very easy to get a hold of me.
All right. Thank you so much. If you need a lawyer, check out Mark Epstein.
There you go.